Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan hima.
Kakyang nang ba government college ha ka arnyo trig Rizal kalapanong ya ka jing ai jing kai halor ka human rights ni ka hok long briu man briu ha ka jing dan lang wa mali ka juwai uba wailan iki shila ya ka jing ai jing kai la panong ha auditorium hall kakyang nang ba government college ha ka jing dan lang ka kong bigiri dekat ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission ujab miki shila uway na ki Mukhtiar Bapa Horilom Jantia Professor A.K. Singh naktanat law jang ka school ba ni hu kisamna puli bat kiwe uwai lat mi kishala ba ajing kran lapan pawe ka jing kemen mandan talang kani ka jing ajing kai hanre ka e ka ba usngo kya ka long halor ki lat jing tip ba pher kan top ka WhatsApp Facebook bat Instagram ulong ba ummut ban ong ba baro ki jing tip bang yo ki long ki ba bakla hanre ki don ru ki bamde kumta ka don kam ki samna puli ban pentikena bat pensishai ki nu ki lat jing tip UMLA la kran ru halor ka jing tem ya ka sur sign perthai ha ki jaka puli baru lo ong ba kala mi ka jing ya tai ka bajur bar ki khna school ki ong ba ka de ka jing shak ta ka hok jong ki hreu lo ong ba de ban kan mau ka e ka jing ta ba kan wan ra ha ki sngi ka ban wan la daw khna school u thawe ka jing rai ka ba ta mat yong ki wei la ni ka ba pen mong ki wei ka e ka ban ja kum taw lo ong ki ba kum kini ki jing ai ji kai ki long ki ba don kam man pen long ban sngo thu ya la ka jong ka hok
I would like to share some of my concern, especially in today's time, where there are so many universities are coming up online. That is the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and so on, where there are so many information are coming. I'm not saying that they are all wrong, but at the same time, they are not all right. And what is the sad part is that now the people are so quick in giving the judgment. Before knowing the true fact, they tend to pass the judgment. So I would like to urge, especially the student present here today, that you please read. Please read as much as you can. Let's be frank here. Let's be frank here that most of us here, we don't know even our own right. I think that's a fact. Let's be honest. So that's why we need to know, we need to read more. And I'm very happy to learn, to know, especially from Kongiri, that Meghalaya Human Rights Commission is visiting places from time to time, and especially in Jaintia Hills. And I would like to urge them to organize such awareness program in different schools and colleges in West Jaintia Hills or other part of the state as well. Because like I think I won't go through about so many things all the learned speakers have already mentioned. But I like to say that human right is very vast. It's very vast. And it depends on how we interpret it. But what our concern is, what our main concern should be, that we should focus that the basic human right should be given to the citizen. And that's why from the government side, I'm very happy that recently we able to inaugurate the district session court here in West Jaintia Hills in Claytorshire. And like I said, I would like to urge upon again that such kind of awareness program should be organized from time to time. Because there is a big confusion which is going on among the students or the people of the state. Just recently, we have witnessed one big debate about playing one political song in the educational institute, where most of the students or the people have said that it is the violation of the freedom of expression of the student. But at the same time, we should keep in mind that if we allow today, it's not about only of this song, but what about tomorrow, if some student come up with a song with a harsh words, or maybe a satanic song, or maybe a song which means like affect the sentiment of other section of the people. So we have to think about all this. So that's why awareness is very important.